Okay, we're calling that done for the day. We need to finish the centerboard systems, and then I also am going to give Zarin draft stripes in the lower portion of his sails. These are for his training sails particularly. So, you listening, Z?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Really critical boat speed component in 420s is your vang tension. When you just start to hit the trap. So when you're still seeking more power to get on the trap, you have no vang. Once you have enough power to start trapping, you just start to touch the vang until you start to see the start of some pre-bend or some mass bend wrinkles right here. Just the start of them. There'll be like 4 wrinkles, and they make a specific shape, and you want to get used to looking at that. But we also kind of want to know what the sail shape is actually doing overall as that happens. So we'll put a draft stripe across the sail, like just above that lowest batten, so it ends at the leech of that above that lowest batten and comes across the sail level with the boom. And then we'll do a draft stripe low on the jib, probably underneath the window or even lower, because we really want to get used to looking at the shape of the foot of the jib and how that changes depending on how much we in-haul and use windward sheet. So those are the 2 of the things we still have to do. Obviously, this whole thing is a long and continued process over time, but just reviewing some of the things we've gone through. We cleaned up the hiking strap system from what we started with, right? We got a nice clean system now that's spliced on here in both places and is adjustable without having to do any knots, and a single bungee, which I think is just cleaner. This bungee here goes to the topping lift, which we did add in the physical stopper for that at the highest point that you're ever going to want the pole to go. Little well-used stopper ball, and tied the knot in exactly the right spot. We've done our bridle settings. So what we're really trying to do is build a tuning guide where we can show